without diet or exercise and the expensive medication that could drive you to bankruptcy. Restore your blood sugar and over diabetes too. This 30 seconds bedtime ritual discovered in the mountains of Kashmir is an easy but shockingly powerful ritual that reverts diabetes. More than 122,756 people are using this. Click on the link to hear their reviews. This discovery tackles the real underlying root cause of diabetes and excessive weight gain. And you only need 30 seconds in your day to do this. It doesn't matter your age. It will work for you. When you listen to this discovery, everything will become clearer. You'll understand why you have lost your health and gained weight. And why the advice you have been given is not nearly enough. After watching this discovery, not only will losing weight become easier, you will be able to burn off pounds of weight like flipping a switch. And restoring your blood sugar. No more cravings. There is a hidden reason why other things you have tried never worked. This will be unlike anything else you have heard or read. Your struggles and diabetes have nothing to do with genetics or eating too much sugar. You get bombarded with misinformation sponsored by Big Pharma. Why do you think it's so hard to lose weight? Listen to this discovery, it is personal, touching and revealing. After all the remedies he tried, diet and exercises, nothing was working. He even tried acupuncture and a lot more, but nothing was working for him. Until this discovery saved him. How much does it cost you in a year for your insulin injections? Many people are on the borderline of bankruptcy. Just for treating symptoms and not the root cause. And Big Pharma makes all the money. Your life will change with this revelation. You will save a lot of money. Click on the link to listen now before it's taken offline.